Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record your screen on VIVO X300. So if you want to record your screen, I'll show you how to do it simply. So starting off with opening up your control center. To do this, swipe up here. And you'll need to have a record screen button right here in the control center, but as you can see I don't have it too, and if you don't have it you'll need to click on this pencil right here and find a record screen button. Then you can click it, and as you can see I am already recording my screen. But if you want to set it up, pencil again, record screen, and you'll need to hold and drag it right here. To adjust your screen recordings, click and hold the button, and here you can see the display touch trajectory, so it will show where you touch your screen on your screen recording. Then record system audio to record the audio from your apps and your system overall, and record microphone audio so you can hear yourself on your recordings. Then you can adjust your picture quality, disable notifications while recording, and all the stuff. So to start screen recording, just click on start screen recording, and basically that's all the settings you need to know about screen recording on VIVO X300. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.